It's multiplication time! Hi, welcome back to iCanLearn channel. Today, we're going to discuss some multiplication tips and tricks for the numbers 2, 4, and 5. This will be the first episode of the multiplication tips and tricks series. So, let's start with the number 2. When multiplying a number by 2, you just need to double the number, or you can just add the number to itself. Yes, just add the number to itself. Remember, multiplication is just repeated addition. For example, 2 times 4 equals 4 plus 4 equals 8. The double of 4 is 8. Now let's try 2 times 8. This is equal to 8 plus 8 equals 16. The double of 8 is 16. Now, pause the video and try to do 2 times 6 and 2 times 9. The answers are 12 and 18. Now, let's take a look at the tricks when multiplying by 4. When multiplying a number by 4, you just need to double the number, then double again. Sounds like you have to double the number twice. For example, 4 times 3. The double of 3 is 6, and the double of 6 is 12. So the product of 4 and 3 is 12. Now, let's take a look at another example. 4 times 8. The double of 8 is 16, and the double of 16 is 32. So the product of 4 and 8 is 32. Now, pause the video and try to do 4 times 5 and 4 times 9. The answers are 20 and 36. Now, how about multiplying by 5? First, when you multiply an even number with 5, you can just get the half of the number and then multiply by 10. For example, 5 times 8. The half of 8 is 4. Multiply the 4 by 10, you will get 40. So, 5 times 8 is 40. One more trick is that when you multiply an odd number with 5, you have to multiply that number with 10 and then get the half. For example, 5 times 9. Multiply 9 by 10, you will get 90. Then, get the half of 90, you will get 45. So, 5 times 9 is 45. Remember that when you multiply a number with 5, the last digit of the product could be 5 or 0. The trick is that when you multiplied an even number with 5, the last digit of the product is 0. On the other hand, if you multiplied an odd number with 5, the last digit of the product is 5. The answers are So, that's all for today's episode. I hope you learned something, guys. If you have some tips and tricks about multiplication or questions, just write them down in the comment section below and I'll be very happy to read and to respond to them. Stay tuned for the next episode of the Multiplication Tips and Tricks series. Kindly click the like and subscribe buttons, and also don't forget to like our FB page, iCanLearn. Anything we don't know, we can learn it. Let's do it together, whenever, wherever. See you in our next video. Bye!